Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 40. A box contains 12 identical balls, of which 5 are red, 4 are blue, and the rest are green. If 2 balls are selected at random, one after the other with replacements, what is the probability that both are red? Now, it is stated in this statement that we have the total number of 12 identical balls. Now we're concerned with red here, so we have what the number of red balls is equals to 5. Now the question says if two balls are selected at random, one after the other with replacement. It simply means that when you pick the first ball, before picking the second ball, you actually return the first ball, so the number of the balls goes back to normal. That is the with replacement. Now we are asked to find the probability that both are red. Now probability that both are red with replacement, don't forget, with replacement, is equals to 5, which is the number of red balls, over 12 multiplied by, since it's a replacement, it's still 5 over 12, and that is equals to 25 all over 144, and that is option A, 25 over 144. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.